Hey guys, welcome back to my trading channel. In this video, I will take you through a trade which I just executed, and of course, it is about a DeFi protocol, and I just went long on it. The token is called Syrup, which is also known as Maple Finance, one of the promising DeFi protocol from this year. Now, guess what? The token was declining, and of course, I saw a good support level. And in this video, I will take you to the targets, my stop loss, and also how much you can make if you hold this token for the long term, because Maple Finance is a very promising project and you should take a look at it. I believe the price is very good because of the recent market crash. Nearly over $1 billion has been liquidated. That is a good price point to enter into promising token, and Syrup gave me a good entry point. So how I took it, and if you want to take it, just follow my trade and follow the steps. So let's get started. So this is the chart of Syrup token, the Syrup USDT pair live on Binance. And you can see, if you zoom out here, you will see a kind of a very good pattern, which is mostly in the form of rectangular. And let me show you the weekly first and monthly and take you through the complete setup before taking you to the trade. So look at the weekly setup here. The token is actually kind of stagnated between 60 cents and 40 cent, and right now it's not able to go beyond it. But here's the catch: you can see the token ready to pump. The token is very much ready to pump high. Look at here, it made all-time high, then declined, then again tried up, then declined, then tried up, declined, and now again it declined, and now making a kind of low test candle, which is this one. And because of this candle, you can see it is resting on a key support level of 0.41, which is 41 cents, and that is where the big momentum comes into play. Like, this is the last candle, and if you look at this trend line, which is this blue line here, it is now about to finish. So the setup is about to complete. And when we have this kind of setup, the mostly what will happen is it goes along with the trend which it is following, which means it is going with a bullish trend, stagnated for a long period of time, and now it's time to break out. So again, on the weekly, this one looks very bullish. Of course, we have to wait for the weekly candle to finish, but overall I can say it will go bullish from here. That is like 80% likely and 20% kind of not likely. Look at the monthly chart, and of course monthly won't take much of the time, because here in the monthly it is kind of making a tweezer top, which is very bearish. But again, the month has not finished yet. We still have to wait for this candle to finish. So we should focus on weekly and then on daily. So once you go on daily, you will observe a kind of rectangular pattern, a kind of pattern in which this token was stuck. Look at here, it is making higher highs, higher lows, but again, it is kind of stuck between this range. The range is very much clear. It looks really like a rectangular pattern. Just look at this line. This is a clear example of a rectangular pattern, and when a trade is stuck between rectangular pattern, it follows something kind of this trend. Like, this one is kind of in a bullish momentum when it started, so it will follow the suit and it will go bullish likewise. Let me draw that chart here. It's like higher highs, higher lows, which is bullish momentum, higher highs, stagnation, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, and stuck here. Again, went back up, then came down, went back up, then came down, went back up, then came down. A kind of rectangular pattern in the play, but then it means right now it is now at around 40 cent once again, which means this is the perfect time for this token to bounce back up, and this is supported by something called as bullish wedge pattern, these white lines. So clearly I believe the next move for this token is to move upwards. You can see the reversal candle forming here. This candle went down, then again failed to go down below. This candle again tried, then failed. This candle here tried and then turned bullish. So bulls are kind of coming back. So this gave me confidence to place a trade in this particular token. You can see here my reward risk is 2 to 1. So of course I will make more money if I win, and I will lose less money if I lose. So this is a trade that I'm taking. Of course, the entry point should be around 41 cents or 42 cents. The stop loss is below 38 cents, like on this candle finish, and the profit target on a decent way is nearly 49 to 50 cent, I think that would be a decent criteria. So that is my target about Maple Finance. I think it should hit this target within next 1 to 2 weeks, depending upon the volatile nature of the token and of course the market. But if the market turns slightly bullish, I think it can easily hit 50 cent within a week. So that is my view about this token. If you're liking my analysis, please subscribe, press the bell icon, and do watch the lower time frame chart because they also give you clear confirmation. So again, please research before entering. Please study the project before entering a trade. Again, I've studied it. I know the supply. I know how high it can go. This one has a power to clearly cross $1 with ease during good times, which means bull run. With that, I complete my video. If you're liking my analysis, please subscribe, press the bell icon, and join me on Telegram because there I share a lot of crypto nuggets on a daily or maybe hourly basis. And I covered Maple Finance way before I covered this in this video. So again, join me on my Telegram group. This is a Telegram group. It is free for now, and you can see here all the confluence, all the rejection has been placed, and that is how I place the trade. So with that, I complete my video. Let's meet tomorrow in the new video, new content. Till then, take care. Have a nice day. Thank you.